Hey everybody, welcome back. Got an update for this Sunday. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've done. So we've got our roof back out here and we've been putting parts on the car. So we got grill down there. Those are actually, you can see inside there maybe, but there's a duct in there that goes towards the brakes. We've got our beautiful headlights in there. We've got our plastic piece here with our windshield wipers on. We've got the door. Everything's been painted so it's all one color. Again, don't worry about this. This is all getting sanded off after the show so that we can go ahead and cover everything in carbon fiber. We did put some of the carbon fiber parts on. I don't have them polished up right now, but they look pretty good. So we got the forged carbon scoop there with the sail panel and the scoop for the turbos. You can see inside the engine right now, so you can see the twins sitting there. Our LS1 right there, our cantilevered suspension. And then we have our forged carbon engine cover here. Some of these parts need to be cleaned because they are a little dirty. Got our rear end, got our grills in. We still have to put on the diffuser. So that's next after I do some electronics work. So I'm kind of cleaning up this rat's nest a little bit so that we can go to the show and not have anything die on us. So this is what we've been working on, putting all of these parts back together, getting them lined up, and then basically what we're going to do is show the car in this state. One of the other things I got to show you is I've got the running lights going. So if we go ahead and turn on our system, and you can see our dash lights up really nicely. And if we go up front, and we can see our running lights, which are pretty bright. So we do have a dimmer on them, so we can cut the voltage a little bit, but they're looking pretty good. So there's the front of the car. It's a little high right now because it's still on the lift, but you can really see how nice these are. I'll take a look from the top so that you can not get blinded by the amount of light that comes out of these bad boys. So anyway, we'll adjust the voltage on these so that we get a good level of just running lights rather than blinding lights out of the car. I can step back. We can kind of see it a little bit. So there you have it. It's not going to look perfect, but I think she'll look pretty good when we get to the track. So I wanted to do a walk around today outside, but I didn't get that far. So we will hopefully do that next week before we head down to Colorado Springs. But anyway, she's doing pretty well, and we'll see you next time when we're at the show. So that's it for this episode. Quick kind of update. Like I said, we just put the panels on, so all the parts that we had covered in carbon fiber, we got those parts on. We had to do some adjustments for the fitment, so that took quite a bit of time to do that. Obviously, we got the lights in, we got the lights wired up for at least having the running lights going. And then we have the air ducts and grills for the brakes And then also we put the windshield wipers on. They're kind of just for looks right now because they don't operate, but it does really add to the look of the car. So I think it'll be pretty nice when we go to the show. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.